Good morning, guys. So ayan, so I'm about to go to our training, staff training, pero medyo may ginagawa pa, may inaayos pa sa resto, and medyo mainit kasi doon eh. That's the reason why I decided to do this video because I'm really very, very excited. Medyo wala akong time talaga na asikasuhin to, but actually this is just a patikim of what the CIK merch is all about, para at least you have the idea kung ano ang i-expect natin doon sa ating CIK merch chef starter kit. And this is this is one of my babies pa din. Talaga, you know very well guys na I'm really into CIK merch ever since. Gusto ko magkaroon ng mga produkto, yung mga merch natin na very useful and very functional. So for the first item, huhuli natin yung ating highlight eh. So kapit ko nga muna itong microphone. I hope it will still work. Ayan. So, siguro naman, malakas naman ang boses ko and medyo tulog naman dito. So for the first merch that we will be receiving upon purchase of my merch ay itong very cool tote bag, shopping bag. Alam naman natin ng mga chef mahilig mamalengke. That's our happiest place natin ang palengke. So that's why I decided to design this myself. Of course with sayang di makita yung loob This is of course inspired from lagyan natin ng ilaw. Inspired ito of course sa Pinterest. But basically, what's inside this, sayang di makita kahit may ilaw. Okay, so i-explain ko na lang. Hindi naman kasi eh. So dito kasi it has partitions. May mga pockets siya. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 pockets for small items. Halimbawa, may bibilin tayo mga sibuyas, kamatis, tapos per piece lang naman ang kuha natin. So then you can actually dunk it inside. Sayang hindi makita, pero sige, balik rin natin to para at least you have the idea. So balik rin natin. Maganda ang tela nito, very thick canvas. So ayan yung sinasabi ko na pockets. Ayan, may pocket dito, may pocket dito. And then another pocket for this one. So 4 pockets siya, small pockets. And then meron siyang parang partition dito where you can put your tumblers. Dalawa yan actually. Kung halimbawa dalawa yung tumblers mo, o kaya bumili ka ng malaking bote ng vinegar or soy sauce, then you can actually place it here para hindi siya tumutumba-tumba. Diba? Very functional talaga itong bag na to. And the size is quite reasonable para hindi sumakit masyado yung balikat natin, no? Tawag dito. Ayan. So I'm starting actually to design bags like this. Makapal yung canvas canvas cloth niya or fabric niya. So and then washable pa to. And then itim talaga yung pinili ko with this lining, gray lining para hindi siya dumihin, no? So and then you can dunk everything in. Ang laki. Ibig sabihin dun sa size na sinasabi ko, this is how it looks like. Nagbitbit natin. And then this is unisex, no? So pwede to sa lalaki, pwede to sa babae na chef. Yan, no? Then you can also request if you want a personalized embroidery dito sa inyong bag, no? Hindi pa ito tapos. I am still going to have this embroidered. No? May embroidery pa yan ng aking Cooking Ines Kitchen logo. So, ayan ang mangyayari dyan. Tapos, so this is the first item that you will be receiving upon purchase of my starter kit, CIK Chef Starter Kit. So, ayan, ang laki guys. So, this is the first item that you will be receiving. So, ayan, yung inyong shopping bag, chef's shopping bag. Tapos, of course, as a chef, meron din tayong apron. So, this is a denim apron. You know very well guys, for some people who knew me for the longest time, I love denim fabrics. So yan, this is again another denim fabric that you will be receiving upon purchase of our CIK merch. Then you have the option also to put your name here on top. Like for example, Chef Leia, ganyan. And then of course, yung aking logo dito sa gitna will be placed. No? So hindi pa lang tapos itong mga to. Talagang gusto ko lang siyang ilabas for you guys to have an idea of how it looks like. So yan. And then there are some small things pa that I will be including dun sa ating starter kit. And then of course, the highlight of this is of course yung ating chef knife, which is very, very lovely. Ang ganda ng niya, ang ganda ng leather, protector, leather case para of course safe kasi nga matalim to, hindi ba? And then yung niya, yung handle niya, just take a look at that. Yung handle niya is brown wooden with 3 rivets. And then this is the resin knife. This is quite very sharp, guys. So look at that. So ang ganda, no? So yan, for the description, and then for you to have an idea of what is this knife is made from, talagay ko na lang siya dun sa aking page when I post this para at least you have the idea. You have something to read kung saan siya galing, saan siya gawa, no? Ayan. You have to be very careful kasi ako, last time when I'm looking at this one by one, checking the quality of one by one, medyo nagkaroon ako ng scratch ng konti. Okay, so this is how it looks like. And I am putting a what do you call this? Yung tree of life na yan for good luck. For good luck. So ayan. So this is the knife that you will be receiving upon purchase of my chef starter kit. Ayan. Okay, so that's it guys for mini patikim of what you will be expecting once you receive your chef starter kit. Bye guys.